I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTracker.com, and today we're going to do a product review on the new Sidi Performer Air sport riding boots. The Performer Air boots retail for $225 as of the filming of this video. Please understand those prices can go up, they can go down, and we will not be reshooting videos for price changes as long as the features and benefits have remained the same. Performer Air boot is a heavily perforated sport riding boot. Who is this boot right for? This is right for any rider that's going to ride fair weather rider like me, man. I don't ride when it's wet outside or cold outside. That's just no fun. That's what snowmobiles are made for. Well, when we have snow, that is. All this perforation just induces massive airflow and exchange of heat energy. It just works to keep your foot feeling calm and comfortable. You look at this boot, it's more of a basic design. So this is going to be at home on almost any type of bike where you feel this is going to match your look. It's going to offer a good amount of abrasion resistance. The protection that's built into this boot back here in the heel cup, and you can see that they've got some exterior armor and sliders here to protect some vulnerable spots on the foot. Replaceable toe slider. Armor up here at the front in the shin area. Little internal armor here for the ankle on the inside. So if you do happen to have a tip over, this does have abrasion and impact resistance. What separates this from more of a race boot is, the ankle stability. It's just not there. There's no bracing. So this is meant for somebody that wants comfort. Think sport touring riding. Think sport riding on the street for sure. Could you do track days in this? Absolutely. If you're just getting started, you want to see if that's something you're going to dig long term or not, and this is the pair of boots you have, for sure, take them out there and see if you like it. And once you decide that you do, Sidi has plenty of boots in their catalog that are more suited towards racetrack duty. Let's talk sizing now. Sidi boots are historically known for having average to about narrow width. They accommodate those people really, really well. If you've had a pair of Sidi boots in the past, odds are you can order the exact same size, you'll get the exact same fit. The fit and sizing of their products has just been very consistent over the years. If you know your feet lean towards the wide side and you want to get a pair of these, we like to recommend that you go up to the next size. For example, I wear a 12 US shoe. Normally I would be more of a 46 in most boots. In the Sidi boots, I need to go up to the 47 to get myself enough room to accommodate for the additional width. Entry and exit of this boot. Little Velcro patch here at the top that's going to allow for a little bit of calf adjustment, okay? You can see here, it's about the usable area in terms of adjustment. If you have larger calves, their Vertigo 2 offers more room for adjustment up here in the calf area, so you might want to look towards that. I would say that, calf space in this one is going to once again be towards that average size, kind of in line with the width of the boots themselves. Got a little functional vent back here. It's kind of a TPR with some screens on the inside. A little motion bellow back there. You get inside the boot, and you'll find a nice 3D spacer fabric. And that just helps to maintain a pocket of air between the Techno Micro upper of the boot and your foot itself. That pocket of air just helps keep you cool and comfortable as you can be. This is the Sidi Performer Air boot. I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTracker.com.